Stocks head lower.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
Bothered by anxieties about global growth, bulls lost some of their appetite for risk last week. Across 5 trading days, the S&P 500 ceded 1.26%, the Dow Jones Industrials Average 1.18%, the NASDAQ Composite down 0.84%. That left them at the following settlements on Friday. The S&P 500 at 25.99, the Dow Jones Industrials Average at 24,100, and the NASDAQ at 6,910. The small cap Russell 2000 index had it worse, falling 2.57% to 1410 over those 5 days. While all of this happened, volatility actually declined, at least according to the CBOE VIX. The leading gauge of Wall Street instability retreated 6.89% for the week to 21.63. Last week, the latest consumer price index arrived, showing no move for headline inflation in November and a 0.2% core inflation increase. That precisely matched the consensus forecast of economists polled by Reuters. What held the headline CPI in check last month? Well, you can credit a sudden drop in gas prices, which fell 4.2%. Annualized inflation declined to 2.2%. Overall producer prices only rose 0.1% last month, compared to an October ascent of 0.6%. Well, during October, American households boosted their retail spending by 1.1%, originally reported by the Department of Commerce as a gain of 0.8%. But November presented a different story. Sales rose last month, but only by 0.2%. The gain remained at 0.2% with auto buying removed. Well, the weekly loss for light sweet crude oil was a 2.6% decline, influenced by 2 factors: increasing dollar strength and concerning economic data from China, which made traders wonder if the PRC's demand for crude could lessen. Oil settled at $51.20 a barrel Friday on the NYMEX. All right, looking ahead at this week, nothing major is slated to be reported today, Monday. Tomorrow, Tuesday, the Census Bureau offers a snapshot of November residential construction activity. Wednesday, the Federal Reserve releases its latest policy statement, followed by a press conference with Fed Chair Jerome Powell. In addition, investors will consider October existing home sales numbers. On Thursday, the Department of Labor issues a new initial jobless claims report. And wrapping up the week on Friday, Wall Street reviews November consumer spending and capital goods orders and the federal government's third estimate of third quarter growth.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagan.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.